This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a windshield washer nozzle on a Toyota Sienna. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, your new washer nozzles, and a clean cloth. Make sure your Sienna is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Now, locate the two existing washer nozzles on the hood of your vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old nozzle. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry up the old nozzle from its position on the hood. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect the washer fluid hose from the bottom of the nozzle. This hose provides the cleaning solution, so handle it with care to avoid any damage or spills during removal. With the old nozzle removed, it's time to install the new one. First, securely connect the washer fluid hose to the port on the bottom of your new nozzle. Ensure it's a snug fit to prevent leaks. Next, align the new nozzle with the opening on your Sienna's hood. Finally, press the new nozzle firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is properly seated and secure. Finally, let's test your new installation. First, ensure your washer fluid reservoir is full. Then, turn on your Toyota Sienna and activate the windshield washers to check the spray pattern. If the spray isn't hitting the windshield correctly, use a small pin or needle to adjust the nozzle's direction. Also, visually inspect around the new nozzles for any signs of leaks. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.